guys, welcome back to Kylie J's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I prepared my shrimp and fish fried rice. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about Kylie J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, it's Kylie J's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram, it's Kylie Kitchen _1, and go ahead and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So this is the pot that I'm going to prepare my fried rice in. I went ahead and add a small amount of vegetable oil, allow it to heat up. I also went ahead and seasoned my fish fillet off camera, and basically I seasoned my fish fillet with some black pepper, some salt, and also a small amount of all-purpose seasoning just for the taste. And I'm gonna go ahead and cook my fish fillet now. Alright, so as you all know, fish fillet doesn't take long to cook, so we're not going to allow it to cook too long. Alright, I also went ahead and chopped up some onion, some scallion, some bell peppers, some onion off camera that we're gonna add to our fried rice. Alright, so this pot that I'm using, this is the same pot that I'm going to use to prepare the fried rice in, as I said earlier. So once I'm finished with the fish fillet, I'm going to remove them from the heat, and then I'm going to come back and add the seasoning. Alright, and again, the seasoning consists of some onion, some bell pepper, some scallion, and I also love to add a small amount of Scotch bonnet pepper. Now, I know some persons love to add egg to their fried rice. That is okay. If you want to add egg to your fried rice, go ahead and add whatever you have at home. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add all of the seasoning that I chopped up off camera, and I'm gonna allow this to just fry up for roughly about a minute or two. We don't want it to be too soft. We want it to be really crunchy. Alright, and of course you want to always extract all of that flavor from your seasoning. So I'm gonna go in and add my 2 days old rice, and just a note, I cooked this rice 2 days ago and I put it in the fridge because I knew that I wanted to make some fried rice. Alright, and also guys, any lumps, you always want to ensure that the lumps, you get rid of those lumps from the rice. Alright, so you just want to go ahead and pull the rice apart. Alright, so once I did all of that, I'm going to go ahead and combine everything together. Then I'm going to go in and add some of my soy sauce. Now, I know a lot of persons don't like when their fried rice is too dark. No, at this point it is optional. Alright, you guys don't have to add the same amount of soy sauce that I add to my fried rice. You can always go in and adjust the seasoning, adjust the soy sauce, whatever you're adding to your fried rice. Alright, just in case it might need a little bit of all-purpose seasoning for taste, you can always add a small amount. Alright, and again, you can always go in and always adjust the soy sauce just in case you don't want it to be too dark. Alright, you don't necessarily have to add the same amount that I add to my fried rice. Also, for the shrimp that I'm using the cooked shrimp. Even though I don't like to use the cooked shrimp, I love to cook my shrimp by myself, but this is the one that I have at home, so I'm going to use this shrimp. Alright, so I'm going to go in and add my fish fillet and also the shrimp. And we are just basically gonna combine everything together. We are almost finished, but for my fried rice, I love to just leave my fried rice on the stove for roughly about 2 minutes on low heat, and then I turn it off. Alright, so stay tuned. We are almost finished, and then we're gonna serve this up and show you guys the final product. Alright guys, so this is basically the final product of my fried rice. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to serve this up and show you guys the final product of my fish and shrimp fried rice. Stay tuned for that. So guys, this is the final product of my fish and shrimp fried rice. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you guys try this recipe at home. Remember to turn on your post notification bell. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment. Remember to like this video, guys. And remember to just tell everyone about Carly J's Kitchen. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye.